Hey guys, it's Vivian, your hot stock girl. Today I'm going to discuss Papa John Pizza. The ticker symbol is PZZA. I'm sure many of you have heard that Papa John, aka John Schnatter, resigned from the company after using the N-word on the conference call. John Schnatter founded the company in 1984. Papa John's went public in 1999 and has had an incredible run and is now the third largest delivery pizza company in the US. If you bought this stock on the IPO and held it, you would have seen thousands of % of return on your investment. Recently, the stock has had trouble, dropping from a high of $75 a share down to $45. So is it a buy here at $45? Well, let's look at the financials. The current enterprise value is about $2 billion and its price to EBITDA is about 12 times. A 12 times multiple usually implies the company is a growth stock. So is Papa John's still growing? Total revenue dropped by 6% in the second quarter, and net income dropped 44%. That's not the worst of it. Same-store sales went down 6.1%. It gets worse. The NFL recently dropped Papa John's as its official pizza and named Pizza Hut as its replacement. It's not that John Schnatter was just a CEO, he was also the face of the franchise, appearing in its commercials. It gets even uglier now that Mr. Schnatter is suing the company. I really can't see any reason to invest in Papa John's right now. At 12 times EBITDA, it's certainly not a value stock, and with declining sales and earnings, it's not a growth stock. If you don't own Papa John's, I suggest you avoid the stock. If you own it, you could ride out the situation, but be prepared for a lot of pain in the near future. So there you have it, my thoughts on Papa John's. While there could be money to be made on a bounce, I would stay out of this mess. I'm Vivian, your hot stock girl, and please be sure to subscribe below and check out my other videos for more great investment ideas.